Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have some light rain and drizzle going on over eastern KwaZulu-Natal, and we're also looking at a lot of high-level clouds still streaming across parts of the Cape provinces, and we also have a lot of cloud and fog covering parts of the west coast ahead of this cold front which is set to hit our shores later on this Monday, introducing very wet weather across the western sections of the Western Cape. The wet weather spreads into the rest of the province as we head towards the evening hours and also pushes northwards into the southwestern and western areas of the Northern Cape. We are also going to see isolated showers late tonight over the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, extending through the Free State into the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Otherwise, it will be mostly fine for much of northeastern South Africa. Now, this Monday, you can expect up to an 80% chance of rain over the western areas of the Western Cape, where you see the shade of purple. The chance of rain decreases as we go further east and northwards. Now, we have a rainfall accumulation map showing us these areas highlighted by the light shade of blue, where rainfall totals could easily reach between 20 and 25 millimeters in the next 24 hours. Now, because of that, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for heavy rains that could result in localized flooding, where you see the shade of red over the western areas of the Western Cape, including around the Cape Metropole. We also have a warning in place for high fire danger across the interior of the Eastern Cape. Now, here's a closer look at what you can expect for your part of the country. It's going to be mostly sunny for much of northeastern South Africa. Mahikeng peaking at 26, 25 for the high in Pretoria. Partly cloudy, however, for Polokwane, Palabora, and around Mbombela. We are also going to see mostly sunny skies across much of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Free State and Eastern Cape. Partly cloudy and pretty warm for Bishop and Grahamstown. It's also going to be pretty warm this afternoon for much of the Eastern Cape coastal areas. Mild, however, for Port Elizabeth, peaking at 23 degrees, rather breezy along the KZN coastal areas and around Port St. John's. It's going to be dry in most areas across the Southern Cape areas, but cloud and rainy weather is forecast for the western sections of the Western Cape. A breezy afternoon is expected for the southwest coastline, where winds could gust to 40 kilometers per hour. Muscle Bay could also see a bit of rain later on this evening. It's going to be partly cloudy across much of the Northern Cape, a bit of rain over the western sections, where it's going to be chilly, Sutherland peaking at just around 12 degrees. Cloud and rainy weather is also forecast along the west coast, windy for Cape Town, with winds reaching 40 kilometers per hour and a top temperature of 17 degrees. On Tuesday, we are going to see rain showers over the western areas. Thunderstorms are forecast further east.